Well, hello everybody. Jeff Cowan here from Jeff Cowan's Pro Talk, the person that's trained more successful service advisors than anybody else on the planet. It is a fact. Now, a lot of you have been texting me, emailing me, calling the office, wanting to know where we hold our live workshops, and I will share that with you now. We hold it at the #1 training center on the planet. It's the Lightspeed VT Training Center located in Las Vegas, Nevada. This place is the highest tech place you're ever going to see for a meeting. I mean, not only do they have the technology which allows you to broadcast your meetings live, but it's the most comfortable place you can go to and see a meeting. Over 100 chairs in the place, and every single one of them is a lazy boy chair with a desk built into it. I mean, you want to talk about comfortable, this is unbelievable. And with the technology they have over there, they make these workshops look fun and exciting and the like. And I'm not the only one that uses it. Did you know that the top 400 speakers in the world use Lightspeed and their training center? I mean, the likes of Tony Robbins, Grant Cardone, Joe Verdi, I mean, everybody that's anybody uses that training center. You want to attend a place where you're going to have a great time, this is the place. I mean, it's unbelievable. And if you come to one of my workshops where I show service advisors and service managers and service teams how to be the best, you will be wowed beyond belief. If you want to get more information about our workshops and the Lightspeed VT Training Center, the #1 training center on the planet, it's easy. Just dial 1-800-248-2931, 1-800-248-2931, and anybody that picks up that phone can share with you all the information about our training center that you need, or you can go to automotiveservicetraining.com, automotiveservicetraining.com, and get the information there. Hey, between now and the time you call us, this is Jeff Cowan from Jeff Cowan's Pro Talk, the person that's trained more successful service advisors than anybody else on the planet, signing off. God bless you all. We'll talk to you soon.